morning. It's, what time is it? Like 6, 7? I don't know. But today is finally Nature Day. One of hopefully many nature days, because I've had a lot of food days. And I'm with Rondell. Where are we going?
I headed to the mermaid pool this morning, a place called 𝗄𝗵𝗶𝗰. 𝗄𝗵𝗶 meaning big forest in the French word. Big forest.
Okay.
So it's a forested area, but it is pretty beautiful. There's a lot of pools in this area. We're not going to touch on all, because there's many. So we just, based on, for time's sake, we want to touch at least some other locations besides being this one location. Because this one location have many to explore and or adventure. Plenty.
So that's a lot to look forward to, and I'm gonna take you with me.
So just look at this. Yeah, that is just a 𝗄𝗵𝗶 inside.
Okay, so we're going straight down there. Okay, to get to there. So this is the first stop. We're at Mermaid Pool now, and it's really beautiful. There are a lot of fish in the water. I am praying to the Lord that they don't chop me, because y'all know fish always chop me. Why do they call it mermaid pool?
So the story was, an old guy from the area here, he is still alive, Mr. Cecil, said that there were mermaids who used to live here. And when they used to come by the river, they used to interact with the mermaid. Now obviously he's a very, very old guy. So the story is real far-fetched. Now, the pool itself is very beautiful. So if he had said that it is the colors of a mermaid fiction is the color of the pool, then I would have understand why they call it mermaid pool, because it's very green, blue. When the sun hits it, it'll be very beautiful.
Okay, so where are we going now?
So we are going on a scenic tour just for views. Right?
Okay.
And if you all choose to be there, by all means, but we had 𝗵𝗲𝗁 fishing depot right now.
Okay.
So it's a fishing for facilities where fishermen come and dock the boat, catch fish. People come and purchase fishes too as well, and the fishermen will take their fish out at different locations in the city for sale.
Okay.
Lower down that way is a beach called 𝗵𝗲𝗁, which we will be going to as well.
Oh, okay.
Today. And so we're going to the 𝗵𝗲𝗁 point, which is that mountain across there.
Oh, okay.
We have views and photos and stuff like that.
Oh, that sounds very fun.
So this make a good wine, also jam, and also it is good to eat. They say if you eat too much of this, you get intoxicated. I had that experience when I was much younger, but you know now we streets, listen.
Y'all know I don't like putting weird things in my mouth. No pun intended. But this is a sea grape. I've seen it, I've heard of it, but I've never eaten it. Why is it hard? Sour.
I like it.
It's not like anything I've ever tasted.
By the seed,
Nah.